Hey everybody, we wanted to make a quick video on Pasture Garden teardown. So I took some footage and some shots throughout the day so you can see these incredible before and afters. And I might set it to some fun music here too. It's just super satisfying to take down everything that we built so we get the canvas all prepped for next season. Pretty amazing. So we are in, step 3 of 4 right now. We have taken down the fence posts, and he has brush hogged to cut down all of the plant matter, all of the crazy plants and weeds. And our next step is to then till it in. So I'm sure I'll be posting about that when the time comes. We did 90% of this work in one day, which is pretty brilliant. The weather was great. We have the right tool, the right methods. We use 4-foot tall wire fence, and we have the fence post that we pound in, and we simply use zip ties to connect up the fence, and it works great. So then going backwards, I just took my clippers, took all of the zip ties off, pulled all of the fence down. We used the tractor to pull up some of the fence that was stuck with roots and plants, which is really gnarly in some spots. And then we just got a T-post remover tool at Fleet Farm, and it's amazing. So it was relatively easy to get these out. Just took time and patience. And we've rolled up all our rolls. Just gotta put things away.
What do you think, girl? Baby.